learners, we have already done plotting of root 2 and root 3 in the previous video, and so welcome to Maths Magic 111, and today we'll be doing plotting of root 5 on number line. As I have already told you that you need only compass and pencil and scale for this, and we have already plotted like root 2, you can see, and previous video also you can see the process, and root 3. So now we will be plotting root 4, and for root 4 what we have done, we have made a perpendicular of 1 unit GE, and then we have joined AG, and then we have drawn an arc taking A as center, and then we have drawn an arc, and it is reaching up to 2. See H, it is reaching up to 2 because root 4 is equal to 2, so it is reaching up to 2. So we have plotted root 4. Now from root 4, that is from AG, we will be drawing a perpendicular up to this J, GJ, and it will also be of 1 unit. जितना आपने यहाँ पे measurement लिया था उतना ही आपने यहाँ पे लिया, फिर यहाँ पे लिया, यहाँ पे लिया, यहाँ पे लिया. So same measurement has been taken, and then we have joined AG, and then taking A, we have taken A as center. What we have done? We have again drawn an arc. So we have taken A as center and then we have drawn an arc. ठीक है, हमने फिर से एक आर्क बना दिया, और अब आप देख रहे हो कि this arc is meeting at K. So this is root 5. So I'll be explaining the theory also. You can see AG, as we have already seen, AG square plus, you can see AG square plus GJ square. Okay, where is AG square? This is AG square, root 4 का square. GJ square, this is root 1 का square, it is 1 का square. So root 4 plus root 1 or 1 we can say is equal to AJ square. So root 4 square is 4 and 1 square is 1, it is equal to AJ square, and root 5, because 4 plus 1 is 5, is equal to AJ square. So when we will change AJ square into AG, जब हम उसे AJ बना देंगे, square हटाएंगे, then it will be root 5. This is also equal to AK. You can see A and K. Root 5 is also equal to AK, and you can see in decimals also. You can measure this distance in decimal also, and you can find the length. So in this manner you will plot root 5 on the number line. Thank you. Next time we will be doing geometric method of plotting root values. Thank you.